One word for this, classy. Another word, fancy. One more word, cute. Let's get into it. Okay, so today we are going to be making a bag. And for this bag we are going to be needing this two fabric. You can use the same fabric, but I just want something different, so I'm going to be using this tweed fabric and this satin fabric. So we are going to fold them to cut out a circle, just like you want to cut out a pepper. You fold your fabric into 4, like so, and you're going to be measuring. Oh, let me show you everything you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing your fabric, you're going to be needing your tape roll, your scissors, thread, obviously. You're going to be needing a chalk, and you're going to be needing this pin to hold everything into place. Okay, let's move along. So we're going to be measuring 12 inches from the center of the fabric to the edge. I'm adding half an inch here, so that we can use that as our sewing guide. So I'm going to be measuring 12.5 along all the edges, like that, round. And I'm going to cut it out because you have 12 on this side and you have 12 on the other side. That's 24 inches. So what we need actually is 24 inches. So when you open it out like this, you're going to be having a giant circle. Can you see that circle? You're going to be having a very big circle. So the same thing we have done for this fabric, that is exactly what we're going to do for this fabric as well. So as you can see here, we're having a very big giant circle. So we're going to put both right sides of this fabric together, and that is what we're going to sew. We're going to sew all the edges round like that. Okay, for this base of this bag, we are going to be needing this small base. You know, when you want to put your bag down, that's a round circle. That's going to be the down part of the bag. That is what I have here, and the length of it is 5 inches. So from the center of this, when you fold it together, you're going to be measuring 2.5 across, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 across. Then you have 5 inches. So I'm going to put a stay on this down part so that it's very firm and it can hold the weight of the bag. But I'm not going to be adding any stay to the body of the bag itself. I'm only going to be adding it to this base. So I'm going to go around now to sew this. Then we come back together to sew it. So, or I'm going to show you how I'm going to be sewing everything together. So let's go. So we're going to mark 2 inches across the circle, across all the edges. That is where we are going to fix in our rope. So we'll sew the 2 inches all the way around, and we'll measure again 0.75 for where we are going to pass in our rope. So you can see me sewing it all the way around. So we need to make a hole in between 0.5, half an inch. Okay, that's what it will be. Okay, so all the way around.
So here I'm trying to find the center of the circle and the center of the small circle as well, which is the base of the bag. So I want to put it on the same side so that it will blend with the bag. I don't want to put it on the plain side. I'm pinning it down together. Then I will take it to the machine and sew it round. So yeah, we are sewing it all the way round. So that will serve as the base of our bag. I think so far you are getting this. It's very simple, very simple. Now that I've attached it and we have already sewn so I'm putting the rope for the bag. That's the handle of the bag, just as if you want to make your air bonnet. So I'm trying to fasten it all the way around to pull it out. Here is our bag. Here is our bag. It's so lovely, it's so nice. And the fact that I can wear both sides of the bag, that makes it so unique, like so unique. I added that handle to it. So I'm going to rock this. I have a very beautiful linen dress that I'm going to wear with it. So this is the reverse side, which is the plain side of the bag. Tell me you don't love this bag. Like, it's so cute. It's really cute. It's cute and unique. So please follow, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, just share it as much as you can.